Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alma and I love creating different makeup looks, and stay tuned to watch how I do my tutorial on this look that I really love. I'm ready to go to a pumpkin patch right now. And yes, follow me on my social media, TikTok, Instagram, like and subscribe my channel to help me out. And thank you guys so much. On this video, I chit chat a little update about yesterday's video on my Pocky challenge. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everybody who wrote a comment and liked my video yesterday. And I hope you do the same for this one. Thank you. And have a great day. Enjoy my video. Another look today, and I'm very excited to film a video that has nothing to do with spicy. Okay, so today on this video, I just want to chat it up and, get ready with you guys. But today I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Pride palette. I already did my foundation. I used my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless, and then the same primer I've been using so far, the Prime Serum. And yes, I'm almost done with it, but I have another bottle ready to go. I prepped my lids using the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer, and I used the sponge to blend everything out. So here we go. Let's see. Today I want to do a fall look, and I keep sticking with fall because fall has so many beautiful colors, like the oranges and browns and purples and everything, yellow, whatever you want. You can turn it into a fall look, and I think this palette does have all those colors, and they're very beautiful. So let's see. I don't have an idea of what I'm gonna use. I just know what kind of colors I want to use, and I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, so I'm gonna get my little brush from Wet n Wild, the one that comes with the Pride palette. This came with this, and here we go. Okay, so first I'm gonna get this salmon color. It looks like a salmon color. So yesterday when I ate the chip, you guys, like, it was pretty brutal. Not pretty brutal, it was intense and horrible. My intestines, like, I could feel my intestines trying to process it, and it was, oh, for a second I thought I had to go to the ER because, like, I started having like this strong pain in my stomach or intestines, wherever the chip was going through. And I'm like, oh my God, it took my strength away. I literally had to sit and lie down and just wait for it to pass. But it ended up turning out okay. Like, the pain went away, and I just kept drinking milk. I drink almond milk, and that's what I kept giving my body. And I was like, oh God, I just want this to pass. And eventually it did, and I was better after that. Okay, now I have the color on both my lids. I think on this one I put a little bit of orange without even thinking. I was chatting it up with you guys, and I didn't realize I got the orange, but it's okay, we'll make it work. Okay, so let's do the brown. So I'm gonna get my small blending brush by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna get that brown, stamp it onto my brush, and put it on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I placed that color on my outer V on both eyes, and now I'm looking at the yellow, and I want to incorporate the yellow on my lid. So I'm getting that yellow color, and I'm gonna place it on the outer part, working my way forward, like middle part of my eye, like this. Okay, and there's the yellow. Wow. It does remind me of the leaves changing colors for fall. And let's see, what other colors shall we use? They're all very pretty. We have this shimmery, like, it's not gold. This is gold to me. This is like champagne color. Let's use that one on top of the yellow. Let's see how it comes out. You can hardly see it, but it does have a shine to it. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this color by MAC. It's called Brulee, and I'm gonna get my fluffy MAC brush. This is a 224, I think. And I'm just gonna use that for underneath my brow, just to give that little highlight on top. And I'm gonna use what's left in the brush to blend out this area, the top area. Make sure everything is blended, no harsh lines. Okay, so check it out. I have this beautiful orange red color. I don't even know, but it's like really beautiful and it just reminds me of fall. It's called Kiss Kiss. It's pressed powder by Sugar Pill. I want to try to collect more of these little, I feel like, I know it's more expensive to invest on each of these things, but I feel like sometimes it gives better pigmentation and quality when it comes down to like a makeup look that I want to do, because sometimes you get these palettes and they don't, it's just the look. They don't really give you that, you know, quality. I'm just placing it over the yellow to give it that pop of that reddish tone. It's a really beautiful color. Okay, so there it is. I like it. So you got the browns, the reds, and the yellows. And now I'm gonna put lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I am using the Ardell Double Wispies. I trimmed them from the center, so that's why they look really, they're like really intense on the outer part. I should have, I feel like trimming them kind of, but I know I'm gonna mess them up. But anyways, let's just go on. I did eyeliner with my L'Oreal Carbon Black Telescopic. I just did it right here, and I lined the top of the lashes, and that's about it. The bottom, I put the same eyeshadow, the brown, and then I did this red on top of that brown. Lily's right here next to me poking. And I did my mascara on the bottom of the bottom lashes. So okay, let's move on with this look. I'm gonna get my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and I'm gonna use that for the bottom of my eyes to highlight, and put it on my forehead and down the center of my face. I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge for this, just to get the job done quick. Lily, are you ripping my pants or something? So yeah. Stop pulling, Lily. These lashes are like gonna make me fly right now. Okay, so to set the concealer, I'm gonna pull out my favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder for my under eyes, and grab some of that with my sponge and place it on the bottom of my eyes. Use whatever's left, if any, on my forehead. Ooh, that looks good. Looks flawless. What are you doing? And I want to use this Photo Focus Wet n Wild Banana. I want to use it for the rest of my face. I don't know if you guys can hear, there's like construction or like cleaning or something, I don't know. And I apologize if you hear too much banging or whatever. Okay, so we got that down. And next, I am going to contour my face. Okay, so I'm gonna use the cream concealer by Makeup Revolution. And I've been liking it so far. So I'm gonna keep practicing with it. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. Okay, I'm gonna tap it a couple times, make sure it gets it on the bristles. And I'm gonna tap it once on my back of my hand just to take off any excess. And oh God, you see how it like right away gives you that boom. And I'm just gonna diffuse it as I go. So I placed it on both sides and I'm just gonna work with what I have here. Not too much, not too little. I'm gonna grab some more from my hand and place it right there on my cheeks or the hollows of it. I'm gonna tap it once, okay? And I'm gonna do my nose. You see how it's like automatic, like boom. I think it's next week, I'm not sure, but I have my consultation with my doctor for the tummy tuck, and I'm gonna talk more to him about this process and about my job, like what I have to do and everything. And we're gonna talk finances and set my date because I want to get the ball rolling on this, and I'm so excited for it. So can't wait. I am excited. A little bit on my chin here, just a little bit, and my forehead. So yeah, oh my God, I can't wait for this thing to happen. Honestly, like, I am not unhappy with my body, okay? I want to make it clear. I don't hate my body. I just think that the little pouch after my pregnancy is never going to go away. And after the third pregnancy, it just got worse, you know? And I feel like I deserve this moment of, you know, catering to myself and getting this surgery done, because I feel like that part of my body doesn't belong there. Like, I need it away. That's the only thing that, like, my jeans don't fit me the way I want them to or the way they should, and I just want them to, I just want to feel better. But everything else I love. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild blush Mellow Wine. I'm gonna get my MAC blush brush and place it on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm gonna work it into the bronzer. Okay, so for my lips, I got two colors from Urban Decay. One is called Crimson, which is this one. And this one, oh my gosh, the label fell off. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a red. So let me take my gloss off. And I'm gonna go in with this red. It says waterproof, long lasting. Oh, someone's in the roof. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like, okay, let me swatch it. Like a deep red. And let me see, this color right here. It's this one. I'm gonna go in with this one, okay? This is called Crimson. Wow, this color is beautiful. Look at that. Real Techniques. I mean, Urban Decay, I'm sorry. I don't know why I said Real Techniques. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my makeup with this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Okay, and this is my final look. I really love it. I mean, I love it. It's perfect. I'm ready to go to a pumpkin patch. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there it is, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you like my look, because I know I do. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share my channel to help me out. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and see you on the next video.